Appreciate the people saying friendly things, but when I saw the way they act, it almost broke my will to sing. Yeah, yeah. Get into this groove, just give me the will to move. Get the life just turn into an easy game from me and you. Yeah, yeah.
Let them talk, no time for droolers. Let them talk and feel the rhythm. Let them talk, no time for droolers. I am often astonished how it feels so bright and right. Most of them think they are high, but judge the neighbor and furnish. You got this feeling, they're badly kidding, my brother. You got this feeling, but they'll listen to you. They punish you for being you. Maybe that's all what they can do. Of course they are so subtle, but don't create nothing at all. Let them talk, no time for droolers. Let them talk and leave the rhythm. Let them talk, no time for droolers. Let them talk and make it way.
That's it? Tyrone. What's your name, buddy?
AJ.
Huh? Alejandro. Pleasure.
AJ.
And his name is Axel.
But my name is
215, 215.